Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Oghom Handheld Clothes Steamer. Now let's find out why it received 4.3 out of 5 stars on Amazon and over 30,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Say goodbye to wrinkles and hello to perfectly pressed clothes with the Oghom Clothes Steamer. Designed for efficiency and ease, this powerful handheld steamer heats up in just 25 seconds, providing you with continuous, strong steam flow to tackle even the toughest wrinkles. The steamer for clothes produces 15 minutes of continuous steaming to remove wrinkles perfectly. Ideal for all fabrics from delicate silks to sturdy denim, this is the steamer for your go-to tool for a more polished, professional look without the hassle of an iron and ironing board. Its compact design makes it perfect for travel, ensuring you always look your best on the go. With an ergonomic handle and lightweight build, it's easy to maneuver, giving you flawless results every time. Environmentally friendly, the steamer uses only water to refresh and sanitize your clothes, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. The 700-watt steamer produces powerful steam and includes a 9-foot extra-long cord for easy movement. So here are a few tips on how to use the mini steamer. The steamer is designed for American voltage standard only, applicable to the 110 voltage to 120 voltage outlet. Do not fill beyond the max line. Water over the max line may cause water leakage. Please make sure the water is lower than the max line. Any tilting of the steamer while working may cause water leakage or spurting out, so make sure you hold the steamer upright when you're using it to steam fabrics. Twist off the top, add water, replace the top, then press the red button to turn on. You can use distilled or purified water, but if you use tap water, please dump all the water out after each usage and do not reuse that water. Steam coming out from the nozzle can be very hot, so please never use the steamer on clothes that you are wearing on yourself, and do not point the nozzle against any human or pet. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.